iPhone 17, Apple's new revolution, or just another gimmick? Once again, Apple has dropped something under the name of legendary innovation. But let's take a look. How are they fooling us this time? Design, so thin it might disappear. Apple claims that the iPhone 17 Air will be the thinnest phone they've ever made. So thin that a light breeze might carry it away. You won't even feel it in your pocket, and sometimes it just vanishes. Lost your phone? Nope, it's just too thin to see. Apple believes thinness is essential, but we still don't know why. At this rate, the next iPhone might just be a sticker for your palm. Camera. Competing with NASA. Apple claims that the iPhone 17's camera is now Hollywood level. It's so powerful that NASA's telescope looks at it in envy. 200x zoom? Yep, now you can zoom in and see what your neighbor is watching on TV. The funniest part? When Apple showed off this feature, they conveniently forgot to zoom in on Tim Cook's bank account. Processor. Before you even think, it's done. The A19 chip is so powerful that while you're still waking up, it has already planned your day. Typing a message? It's already sent the reply. Arguing with someone? It's already apologized on your behalf. Think this phone just has AI? No, it is the AI. Soon it won't even need you anymore. One day your phone might just text you. You are no longer necessary. Battery, Apple? Are you kidding us again? Apple claims the battery lasts 5 days. Sure, if you don't use the phone, realistically, open Instagram, watch a YouTube video, and within 5 hours you're already searching for a charger. Every year Apple says, we improved the battery, yet we're still carrying power banks. At this rate, next year's iPhone will come with a built-in mini power station. Price, loan, kidney, or your entire life. Apple says, iPhone 17, only $1,999. We say, only? If you're planning to buy it, you might as well register as an organ donor now. Some people might even sell a kidney and get an Apple Watch as a bonus. Reality check. What will actually happen? Despite all the jokes, when the iPhone 17 launches, people will rush to buy it. It's the same cycle every year. Apple announces something, everyone mocks it. People visit the store just to check it out. Eventually, they finance it and say, it's not that bad. So yeah, we're laughing now. But give it a month, and iPhone 17 will be everywhere on the subway. Are you buying it, or are you waiting for the iPhone 18?